We'll learn how to construct a triangle when its base is given, one base angle is given, and two of its sides are given. So we have to construct a triangle given its base, a base angle, and sum of other two sides. Now let us draw a triangle ABC in which base BC is 7 cm, one base angle B is 75 degree, and sum of other two sides AB and AC is 13 cm. For this, first of all we have to draw its base. Base is 7 cm, so draw a line segment BC equals 7 cm. At point B we have to construct 75 degree. So with B as center and any radius, we have to draw an arc which intersect the line BC at some point. Say that point is P. Now put the needle of your compass at point P and draw an arc with the same radius and mark that point as say Q. Now don't change the radius of the compass and put the needle at Q. So with Q as center and same radius, draw another arc which intersects the first arc. At some point, say it as R. Now dear children, here we see PQ is 60 degree. It makes 60 degree with central angle PBQ. And QR also makes 60 degree with central angle QBR. Now our aim is to bisect QR. So with Q and R as centers and any convenient radius, draw two arcs which intersect each other at some point. Let it be S. Now join SB. Mark the point T where this line and the first arc intersects. That point suppose it as T. Now see, PQ makes 60 degree angle with center B, QT makes 30 degree and TR makes 30 degree. So SBC 90 degree. Now our aim is to bisect QT, that is 30 degree, to make 15 degree. So same process, Q and T as center and any convenient radius, but from Q and T don't change the radius and both arc intersect at some point. Suppose it is U, then join BU. So here angle UBC is 75 degree. Because PQ arc makes 60 degree with center B and we have bisected QT arc, that's why UBC makes 75 degree. So we have drawn BC base 7 cm and one of the base angle B 75 degree. Now extend BU at some point. Say that point is X. Now sum of other two sides is 13 cm. So cut 13 cm from the line segment BX. So from BS center, make R 13 cm. Take that point as D. So BD is 13 cm. AB plus BC is BD, 13 cm. Join CD. Now our aim is to draw angle BDC equal to DCY, say DCY. So we have to find the point Y, DCY. For this, with center D, put the needle of the compass at D and any convenient radius make an arc. And that arc intersects the line BD at some point, say at E, and at line CD at point F. Now don't disturb your compass. With same radius and center C, put the needle of the compass at center C, make an arc. Now here, for making equal angle, mark point G also. For making equal angle, we have to measure arc EF. So put your needle of the compass at E and mark arc which passes through F. Don't disturb your compass. Put the needle of the compass at G and make an arc. And mark that point as H. That is very important, this point H. Now join CH and extend to whatever distance you want. Mark CH, join CH and extend it. Suppose that point which you have extended CH, that point is Y. Now see, this point, this line CY intersects line BD at some point. That point is A. So we have got one point A, one vertex A of the triangle ABC. So ABC is the required triangle. Now children, see here, ABC is the required triangle which we have constructed. ABC is the required triangle in which BC is 7 cm, angle ABC, this angle, angle B, or you can say angle ABC is 75 degree. That we have constructed. So see here, it is written base BC is 7 cm and angle B equals 75 degree are drawn. Also BD we have cut, BD we have cut, that is 13 cm, because it was given AB plus AC 13, sum of two other sides 13 cm. So we have cut BD equal 13 cm. Now children, see in this triangle ACD, there are three sides in this triangle, that is AC, CD and DA, and three angles, obviously angle A and angle ACD and angle ADC. With construction, we have made these two angles equal. This angle, that is angle ADC, and this angle, that is angle ACD, equal to angle ADC. So these angles are equal, this angle and this angle. Now we know side opposite to equal angles are also equal. So side opposite to this angle C, obviously it is AD in triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, side opposite to angle C is AD and side opposite to angle D is AC. So AD and AC both are equal because angle C and angle D are equal. Here we have written angle ACD equal ADC. By construction we have done. So AC equal AD, side opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Again you see ACD is a triangle in which angle C and angle D equal. Opposite side of angle C is AD and opposite side of angle D is AC. Opposite side of angle CAD is equal to opposite side of angle DAC. So AC equal AG. AC equal AD. Also we can write BD, this longer line, BD minus AD. BD minus AD is AB. Clearly from the picture you can see BD minus AD is AB. BD minus AD equal AB. And AD equal AC. We have just proved AD equal AC. So we have written AC in place of AD. So AB equal BD minus AC. Now shift AC to left hand side. So minus AC becomes plus AC. So AB, this minus AC shift to that side. So it becomes plus AC equal BD. BD equal 13 centimeter. So here we have written 13 centimeter in place of BD. BD is 13 centimeter. So AB plus AC, that is sum of other two sides of a triangle, is 13 centimeter. So we have justified our construction that AB plus AC is 13 centimeter.